Okay, yeah, for sure. This camera, I'm Barnold. What I like to do is I go out there and I grab my suntan lotion and I grab my binocs and I just go out there and I have a blast. Well, I think really my passion of birds really all began when my father got me a parakeet for my 7th birthday. I thought it would be cool if I could take him to school and put him in my back pocket, but he wasn't as strong as I thought he would be. I didn't know that if I sat on it, that'd be it. Now I choose to watch birds from afar, legally. You know what's important though is that we learn and we grow, and we're always changing, and we're learning and we grow. So, in a word, what I love about birds, all of it. I'm Barnold again. And if I could just take a moment to address the birds directly. Have you met my pet bird, Williamsworth? I keep him in my closet under my warm clothes so he stays all cozy. He's adorable. Let me show you. Williamsworth, there you are, buddy. How you doing? You all cozy? Oh, dear. Oh, God. Oh, no. Okay, well, that's... Okay, well, you'll be alright. Oh, no, you're breathing badly. Oh, shit. Oh, whoa. Well, what's important is that we learn and we grow, and we learn and we grow.